Hello friends, in today's video we are going to discuss the recruitment which is taking place in Center for Development of Advanced Computing, which is coming under Ministry of Electronics and Information Technology, that is METI. So the vacancies called for both experienced candidates as well as for freshers. So keeping the freshers in mind, let me explain the details of recruitment process happening for the freshers alone. So if anyone needs the details regarding the experienced candidates qualifications and other details, let me know in comment section so that I make the separate video for experienced candidates. So in this video we are going to discuss only the recruitment process for the fresher candidates alone. So friends, the post called for the vacancies are project manager as well as project engineer. As I said, I'm not going to discuss the project manager post since the post have been called for experienced candidates alone. I'm not going to discuss this. So if the viewers need the details of this particular post, then let me know in the comment section. So let us see the project engineer vacancy details. So first of all, the maximum upper age limit for the post was 35. So until 35 you can able to apply for the post, and even though the relaxation has been given for the ages. So let me explain the age relaxation in a little bit of time. So before that we will see the other details. So the pay scale, the salary will be around 42,000 to 52,000. So depending upon your experience in the subjective domain. So when it comes to experience, here they are asking for fresher to 2 years of experience. So the candidates who are fresher also can apply. The candidates who are having experience between 0 to 2 years can also able to apply. So according to the years of experience, the pay will differ. So the qualification for applying this project engineer post was you need to have the technical background of engineering in either one of this background. Either you must be a computer science engineer or information technology engineer or electronics engineer. So or you must be graduated in MCA in respective fields of computer science, IT and electronics. So under project engineer, the specifications given for the recruitment was software testing and security analysis. So it is a contractual job. The contract was differs from 1 year to maximum of 3 years. So maximum 3 years. So when it comes to age relaxation, so it will be taking place as per the government norms. So when it comes to the government norms, okay, so as per the government norms, so for SC and ST candidates and all, the age relaxation up to maximum of 5 years was given. So the OBC is considered maximum 3 years was given as the relaxation. But with regard to this particular post of recruitment, you have to check it off since the age relaxation has not given in a explicitly manner, but they have mentioned only as per government norms. Since I have told the government norms for the SC, ST as well as OBC candidates, it has been followed generally. But anyhow, we need to verify this. Kindly make sure this. So, and the last date for the application was December 9, 2021. That is next month 9th. Okay, and the application fee was about 200, and application fee also given some exemptions. That is the people whom I am going to tell, those peoples are exempted from paying the application fee. So the first was SC and ST candidates was being exempted, and next was the PWD candidates who are being exempted from paying the application fee, and next was the women's section who are also being exempted from the application fee, and economic weaker section peoples also have been exempted for the application fee. So the selection mode of this recruitment is going to take place through interview process alone. Okay, so if suppose the candidates who are applying for the post has been outpouring, that is the more number of applicants apply for the recruitment, then there will be written test. So but as far as now interview only considered. So if the more number of applicants have applied for the post, then for filtering process, written test will be conducted and then interview process will takes place. So the job location is in Mumbai actually. Okay, so let me take it to official notification. So this is the Center for Development of Advanced Computing website. Here the notification has been given for both project engineers as well as project managers. So you should get the degree from AICTE or UGC approved universities, colleges, and the important section was the last date of application, which is December 9, as we discussed already. And when it comes to the selection process, the mode of selection is taking place through written test when large number of candidates is being applying, or else it is only taking place through the interview process. So when it comes to application fee, it was around 200 and exemption was given for SC, ST, PWD and the economic weaker section category. So when it comes to application process, you need to have your own email ID as well as mobile number. So you have to log on into the CDSE portal and then you have to apply for the particular post. As I said earlier, there was both experienced as well as a fresher candidates openings has been announced. So but we are discussing only fresher candidates opening. So let me show only the fresher candidates openings of project engineer post alone. So here your age criteria was 35 years, the maximum age limit as on December 9, with the government relaxations given for this criteria according to the cost reservation. So the consolidated pay will be around 45,000 to 52,000, and you need to have BE BTech qualification, or else you must be a MCA qualification in the graduation of computer science or information technology or electronics or computer applications. So this is the technical skills you need to apply for this particular post. So you must need to have a good skill in these terms. Since it is your technical domain, hope you all have the awareness and required qualifications. So the application link is given here itself. Once you touch this tab, then you will be directed to the application portal. So the number of position was about 53. It was very huge number. So kindly make a note of it. So guys, kindly apply for this particular post who are having the required technical skills, or else kindly share the video with your members who is in need of job with the required skills of qualifications. So it was about 53. As far as cost wise also the split up has been given. For OBC it was about 14 vacancies, and for economic weaker section it was 5, and for SC was 7, and ST 3, and unreserved category, that is for general, 24 vacancies have been given. So this project engineer is for the post of software development. As we discussed previously, in two domains or role they are recruiting. One was software development and another was security analysis. So software development recruitment details has been over right now. Let us see the security analysis post details. So this is the security analysis post. So here also the age criteria as well as the salary, everything was same. Even the technical qualifications has also been same, but the skill set required for the particular job for the security analysis was varied. So when it comes to number of position, it was only 3 positions. Thank you, thanks for watching. Kindly share the video with your friends who is in need of job with the required qualifications. Thank you, thanks for watching.